Now we've moved on to a nut that was welded onto the bolt after I took the big wrench off, and it still turns. So broken bolts and castings are no big deal. They just take a little perseverance. Oops. No, I did it. Broke it off. Well, I have to weld that back on again. No big deal. Alright, here's a shot of the other bolt, and the reason that you weld such a piece of steel on here is so that you got a good lever to beat on. And as you can see, it has come loose. And with a little bit of working, that'll come right out. The threads will be fine in the hub.